Gus Schmidt, and I'm back again with another trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading OTCs, OTC currency pairs. Since it's the weekend, only OTC pairs are available. So what I have here is 5 moving averages and the Vortex indicator here. So the moving averages that I'm going to be utilizing are the 100 simple moving average, which is the white, the 20 moving average, 20 simple moving average, which is the green line, the 50 SMA, which is the blue line, the 9 simple moving average, which is the turquoise line, and finally, the last SMA will be the 3 SMA, 3 simple moving average. I've set them all to 3 pixels in line with. And for the vortex indicator here at the bottom, I'm going to be using a period of 3. And in my style settings, I've increased the VI plus line to green 3 pixels and the minus VI plus line to red 3 pixels. Okay, so now for my trade time, I'm going to be taking 1-minute trades here, M1. For my candlestick charts, I'm going to have them set to 15 seconds, regular Japanese candles. So I'm going to be taking 1-minute trades while looking at these 15-second candles and the 5 simple moving average lines. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some trade setups. Okay, so I just took a sell trade on the USD INR OTC pair. Now, the reason why I took the trade is we see all of the SMA lines sloping downward, suggesting a bearish trend here. Number two, I waited for the divergence of the vortex lines here. There was an increasing divergence when I took the trade. So I'm anticipating there's going to be a continued push, bearish push to the downside in the price of this currency pair, the USD INR, over the next 60 seconds. There was a slight retracement here, but let's monitor this trade. Okay, so we won that trade. I could have picked a better entry, waited for the retracement, but I saw the opportunity, so I went ahead and took the trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for our next trade setup. Okay, so similarly to the last trade, but this is a plus trade. I'm waiting for the retracement to finish, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a buy trade. I'm just waiting for uh, the price to show a sign of a bullish reversal here. We already have all the SMAs sloping upwards, except for the 4. That means the 3 SMA here. Okay, so there we go. Let's go ahead. I'm going to take a buy trade at this level here. Waited for that retracement to finish, and then took the trade in an upward direction here. Plus, I should have waited for the vortex line to cross. That would have been more optimal. But let's monitor this trade. All the lines are sloping upwards here. And then the vortex, the cross of the plus VI line and the minus VI line in an upward direction. So this suggests a bullish push to the upside here over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, well, great. That trade was in the money. There was a continuation of the bullish trend, and we traded with the trend. All right, so let me pause the video and look for our next trade setup. Okay, so I'm on the USD COP OTC, and similarly to the last trade, I'm looking to take a bullish trade here. There's a retracement currently happening, so I'm going to wait for a reversal here, and once the reversal is confirmed with the cross of the vortex, hopefully okay, here, see here at the bottom here, the vortex line. Let's go ahead and let's take that trade here. The vortex line crosses the minus VI line on the Vortex Indicator, and there we go. See, the vortex line just crossed. We had the retracement. So this suggests that there's going to be a continued bullish momentum to the upside in the price here, and a continuation of the trend. We see here we have all the SMA lines sloping upwards, waited for that cross of the vortex. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of the 60 seconds. Trading with the trend. Okay, so that trade was also in the money. All right. So let me pause the video and look for our next trade setup. Okay, so I'm on this currency pair, the USD BRL, and I'm waiting to take a sell trade, but I want to wait for the retracement. As you can see here, all of the SMA lines are generally sloping downward here. So what I'm waiting for is the cross of the vortex lines. And once the cross occurs, once the red vortex line crosses over the green vortex, I'm going to go ahead and take a sell trade here. Okay, so there we go. We see the cross here. All the SMA lines are generally sloping downwards. Waited for the retracement here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry at the end of the 60 seconds. As predicted, the bearish reversal occurred. Okay, so yes, that trade was in the money here. Okay, so let me pause the video and wait for another trade setup. Okay, so we have another potential setup happening here. We have all the SMAs sloping downwards except for the 3 SMA, which is the short-term SMA. But I use it to look for retracement and look for where I can get the reversal at the right time. So what I'm doing now is I'm waiting for the cross of the vortex lines here. I'm waiting for the red vortex cross, and there we go. All right. So I just took a sell trade here at this level. Trade was pushing bearish, but then we have this reversal here. So we want the reversal to finish before we take the trade. So let's monitor this trade. We have the, like I mentioned before, we're looking for all the SMA lines to be sloping downward, except for the three SMA, which is the red line, the red short-term SMA line here. And okay, great. So we won that trade. So I'm going to end the trading session here. I believe we were 5 out of 5 here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 winners in a row, 100% in the money. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you're interested in trading on the platform, I have a link to the trading platform in the video comments or the video description or in the channel bio. I also wanted to make note that I've also been practicing sound money management here. I've only been risking about 1% of my capital. With binary options, the rate of return on a lot of the assets are varies. It could from as high as 92% to as low as maybe 58%. So if the average rate of return on an asset is 80%, then you need to show a 66 or about a 70% win rate in order to grow your account. This is why you don't risk huge amounts of your capital, because you want to grow your channel slowly, but grow your capital slowly but surely. Okay, so like I said, if you like the video, I have all the SMAs. I'll put the settings in the video description. But please subscribe and like the video. I'll see you in the next trading video. Gus Schmidt, 5 SMA Vortex Indicator Trading Strategy.